Welcome back to Entrepreneurship with Elijah. I have a new segment today for you guys, and it's called Sit Down with an Entrepreneur. And the purpose of this segment was really to give you guys some inside access on exactly what goes on with the everyday entrepreneur, and not just myself, other entrepreneurs. And right now I'm starting off initially with the people that I do know personally, so friends and families, co-workers, colleagues, etc. However, today I have my baby with me, and he is the perfect candidate for the first entrepreneur for the first episode. So without further ado, I'm gonna ask him a couple questions to let him introduce exactly what it is that he does and a bit about himself to you guys. So, hi Anthony, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Tell the viewers, I'm doing good, babe, chilling. Tell the viewers a bit about yourself.
Well,
For those who don't know you.
I'm a clothing designer. Coming out with a clothing line. Been working on it for some time already.
Are we disclosing the name?
Not yet.
It's not yet.
Not yet.
It's too fire.
If y'all want to keep,
Stay tuned.
Just post my Instagram down
I'm
at the
gonna post all his
bottom, whatever.
info. Yeah.
And just follow me if you guys are interested in my little venture. You can see everything at work, and it's gonna be awesome.
In due time.
Awesome. Good material. No bullshit. No gilding. Not jocking them. Not trying to throw any shade on them, on anybody. But my stuff is gonna be good material. Good stuff.
Tell us a bit about your clothing company. What type of clothing do you make? Who do you make the clothing for?
Well, it's not specifically for a person.
Or like what type of markets? What type of
It's like, it's basically urban. You can say it's urban, streetwear, skateboarder type, like Babe, Supreme type stuff, like, I'm not really gonna compare my stuff to their either. Mine is just like, it's pure. It's like, it's just water.
You're going after the same
I don't
market.
even use fire. It's water, like straight drip. Exactly. So,
Okay. How did the idea for your clothing business come about?
I had friends that were actually, in the game, like
In the industry.
in the industry with clothing, and I see everything that was going on. I see how it was moving. It was something I could get into that I like. I like. I draw. And I always imagined my drawings, my work being on clothing since I was a kid. Like I always liked clothing. Jordans. Rocking the fucking latest fucking gear with the Jordans and all that. Like when Jabodes were Jabodes, and back in the day.
What are some goals you have for your business?
Well, my main goal is to have my clothing line worldwide. I want my shit in China, Japan, Italy, everywhere. Hopefully a Spanish brother could, get there.
You definitely are gonna get there. It just takes. Well, actually,
it just takes our people to support each other.
And in terms of that, actually, what do you think it takes? So, what sort of key activities do you recommend entrepreneurs invest their time in?
The number one key activity that everyone should be doing if you're gonna be an entrepreneur, you're in that lane, in that road, trying to be an entrepreneur, is stay focused and never give up. Never give up. Like, that's the number one rule. You can't give up. You gotta remember, being an entrepreneur is not easy at all.
It's
not easy. You don't have a boss telling you what to do or how to do it. You're your own boss. And you have to take, you know how you used to hate your boss telling you what to do? You have to tell yourself things that you're not gonna want to do, that you're gonna have to do. Wake up early in the morning, all types of things. So you know, get ready for that.
He's speaking facts. So, do you believe that there is some sort of formula to becoming a successful entrepreneur?
The best formula I could tell you guys is a business plan. Business plan is the best.
You've now heard two entrepreneurs say it, so it must be true.
She actually has a video she did.
Her last video. How to make a business plan.
Just watch it.
Just watch it.
You need that.
We'll get that handled.
I'm telling you need that, guys. You need to make a plan.
And you feel like that's helped you?
You know, I don't even have to tell you guys that. You know you need to make a plan. That's how life, that's how you have to treat life. You want to be ready wherever you go. You want to have a plan. And you want to strike. And you got it. I'm telling you. We all could do this.
How would you say you define success?
How do I say I define success? Well,
when you wake up in the day.
Success, I define success as, you know, even though I'm not successful yet, but I am successful in a way because I wake up every day happy, knowing I'm going to do something I want to do and I love. You feel me? And I wake up next to a beautiful girl, you know, like this one every day. So who's not gonna love that, you know? So, you know.
So that's how you define success.
Yeah, success
being
is
utterly happy with everything that you're doing.
You have to be happy with your job and what you got to do.
I agree.
I don't want to wake up depressed, not wanting to go to work. That's why in reality, I wanted to become my entrepreneur. I can't see myself, you know, working for someone else. You know, even though, you know, you got to do what you got to do. If you work for somebody else, do it. Take advantage. Learn as much as you can from that person.
Do you have any greatest inspirations? Would you say you have any greatest inspirations?
I ain't gonna lie. I have one person that inspires me the most. And that's my baby. How you know that was you?
Because you're gonna say just one that inspires you the most?
Just one person. No, but
if you have to name...
She inspires me a lot. But, you know, as in, like, who inspired me as in to go into my business and not even go into my business,
just like
help me believe in I can do it. Pharrell Williams. That's the man. Nigo.
Babe.
The creator, Babe. And I fuck with Takashi Murakami. I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, it comes out. He came out with the little flower, colorful flower. Yeah, he's a painter. Yeah. But anyway, he's cool. He's you know, I like his work. Awesome.
And you feel like all of them took like.
Yeah, Cause too. Cause, definitely.
Cause a good one too. Yeah. They have a
classic.
Unique style about
OG
them.
Right there. That's an OG right there.
That concludes today's sit down with an entrepreneur. It was nice to meet you, Anthony. It was nice for them to meet you guys.
I think I already know you.
It was nice for them to get to know what I know and see what I see.
I've met you before.
And for them to, you know, just really get to sit here and experience exactly what you say or what you advise the steps are to getting shit done.
No.
And it's good because that's what you guys are going to see here.
You know, I'm just giving you guys advice. I'm not, you know, I'm no one yet, you know.
Don't say that. We're all someone.
Well, I'm someone. You know what I mean, like, you know.
He's just a different way of doing it.
If y'all interested in the work I got and trying to see my process, my, you know, story, she's gonna put my link in the bottom, my Instagram.
I'll be back with you guys next week with another video.
And soon we'll be having our own channel, so keep that going too. We're gonna
stay posted, guys. Stay tuned. Whole bunch of stuff coming in, a whole bunch of new stuff. If you haven't already, subscribe, like this video, comment, ask all your questions, and stay safe.
Don't ask no questions about my tattoos, please.
Bye.